Hello, future designers. So, welcome to the continuation of our previous lesson, which is this. Okay, so this was what we were able to do in our previous lesson. Okay, so now we actually want to work on this, which is um, this. Okay, so to do that, we would have to just go. Let me enlarge this. Okay, and first let's work on this title here. So with the text tool, I'm going to type agri news daily. So just be creative around the names. Okay, so this font is 40 Roboto medium, so let's do same for this. So Roboto, I'll choose medium, then I'm going to change here to 40. So we can center it. Let's see if it's at the center. So okay, we'll pick the text tool again. We want to type this trending. So trending, sort of trending news in agriculture. So trending, and then the trend we have 20 Roboto medium, so do same, so change it to 20 Roboto medium, that's fine, and then we'll give it a color. So the fill color, let's use let me use this particular color. First let me check from here, so 92, so I'm going to check with it. So 92, I have to take it up. 92, okay, then let's check the spacing. Here is 34. Okay, so 34, I'm going to move it 34. Okay, I think let me change the color. So let's change it to this particular color. Okay, so now let's see. Now we want to work on the card for this particular UI. So the card view information for this. So a list view, list card view. So as usual, we'll pick the rectangle tool and we'll draw. Okay, I'm going to set. Let's see the size. So it's 58 by 19.5. Sorry, 578. Okay, by 195. Okay, then the corner radius is 9. Okay, so the corner radius is 9. And then let's see the drop shadow effect. Let's see the shadow effect. So we have 044. Okay, 044. So just change. So 0 for the x-axis, y, 4 for the y-axis, and blur. We'll set our blur to. Let me use 20 for our blur. Let me change this color to white. The fill color to white. Okay. So I think this is quite okay. So yeah, actually adding our own version, like, because this is what we want to achieve. But let's see if how this would look. So let's see here. So this is quite okay. Now what I can do is to Control C, Control V this, bring it inside, try to position it all here. Okay. And then let's see the size. Okay, so the size 156 by 166. So 156 by 166. Okay. So we want would go to Pixabay. And then let's look for any image on. So let's say farm. Let's say I want this particular one. So I'm going to copy this and then I'll go here. So copy image and then paste here. Okay. So this is what we have here. We actually do not wouldn't want it to have some shadow. So let me take the shadow effect. I'm going to delete it here. Okay. So we don't want it to have any shadow effects. Now we want the text too. So the text to type this text. Okay. So I'll just type. Let's use what? I'm just going to copy this. Okay, for you, you will have to type. So I'm going to copy this. So, and paste it here. Okay. So this is just for us to have a shorter creation process. So we have the font size is what? Roboto 24 and then bold. So that's the properties for the fonts, this particular font. Okay. Then I can do same. So you go to your text tool. Okay. Then I want this particular text. Paste it. Let's see. Useful. Okay. The font size for this particular text. So our subtext should be 16, Roboto, and then medium. Okay. Now what we want to do is to check the spacing. So this, so 35, okay, the spacing here is 35. So let's check alt with the help of the alt key. So 35. I also take it down. 35. Then let's check the spacing somewhere here. Okay, so 28. So between the image, okay, and this, so let's see, so 28. Okay, then we can just use this to align it. Okay, so the spacing here, let's check that out. Okay, what I can do is just to use this. Okay, so the spacing is 27. Okay, so I'm going to move this one down. 27. So the spacing between this our main heading and then our subtext, okay, is 27. Now we want this icon. Okay, so the icon here, I'm going to right click and then select um, plugins, and then I'm going to go for iconify. Okay. The internet is slow, so I'll cancel this, and then when iconify opens, okay, do select this particular icon. That's type bookmark inside. Okay, so this is a bookmark icon. Then I'm going to position it here. Now the size for our bookmark is 24 by 24. Okay, and then this is the color code. Okay. This is the color code for it. Okay, so not the fill but the selection color. And then I can do something with the text here. So Control C, Control V. I'll bring this here and then let's type any name. So let's say Agri News. So let's say it's from this company called Agri News. So Roboto 12. So we'll do here the same. So Roboto bold and then we'll set its size to 12. Okay. Just going to position it somewhere here. Control C, Control V, and this is going to have our date. Okay, so let's say Friday, FR, I, um 08 2022. Okay, so I think let's see what we have. Okay, so it's quite okay. It's quite okay. So all we have to do now is to just duplicate this several times. So we'll do that in our next lesson. So thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson.